Crop circles rarely appear in France, but when they do appear, they usually have such clear messages that we should not ignore them. Like this one on June 2nd, 2017. When our producer saw it, she immediately wrote the warning and sent it to me. But I was too busy. So she decided not to wait for me and released the video on June 5, 2017 with a robot voice. Sorry for being absent for that one. But the message was so important, we did not think we should wait. The crop circle looked like a sports field. So we decoded it as an attack on or at a sports field. The attack was coming from the outside, and actually attacked from the outside, or the damages could or would have been worse. Then on June 14, 2017, USA's Congress baseball team was attacked while playing on a baseball field. The attacker shot from the outside and could not get in, or it would have been much worse. Don't believe me? Check on my video, Terror's Moving Target, and decide for yourself if I'm kidding. Before that, on June 11, 2015, this crop circle appeared. This was before I started my breaking news crop circle coverage, so I did not see this till months later. Compare this with the November 13, 2015 attack. I had chills up my spine when I saw this crop circle, as it showed the big circle and then two smaller ones. Just like the three attacks in the same day, same area. This ISIS symbol and the sequence of events seem to indicate the attacks to come. And now this crop circle appeared on June 11, 2018, when our producer and photographer visited France. They said before their trip that they wanted to wish for a crop circle in France, but did not dare to wish for one, as it usually brings bad news. But a crop circle appeared during their short 3-day trip. This is clearly a yin and yang symbol, the beginning of everything. The symbol for Chinese I Ching, which people have said is the first binary code system, as it is made up of 0 and 1. And people have said it is the system given by E.T. long ago. Well, for Chinese like me, I Ching has many deep meanings. Taking 2 coins and throwing them 3 times will land you in a spot of the 64 I Ching. You can try to decode the answer like we decode crop circles. But this crop circle is slightly different from the yin-yang symbol. For one, it is yin-yang inside yin-yang. Kind of like telling you there is no end in life. A life ends when the new life begins. However, when you look outside the second layer of yin-yang, you will find the yin-yang balance was broken into pieces. The dots in the original yin-yang mean yolk of the egg is inside a broken shell, while the other side does not even have any shell. And the yin-yang looks different than the traditional yin-yang. The traditional yin-yang fills the entire circle, while this one's core is quite big. So big that it becomes the center of the yin-yang. So, what does it mean? I think something important will go through major changes at its core. It does not look like an ISIS symbol, so I don't think it is about terror attacks. It could symbolize genetic change. Or it can mean a mutation of a virus that could spread and cause major trouble. Hope I'm wrong again. The yin-yang represents the male and female energy, so this can also be a breakthrough on human genetic research. Or, we are going through major changes in our own DNA. Not too long ago, as a matter of fact, in March of 2018, NASA found that astronaut Scott Kelly's DNA changed 7% while in space, when compared with his identical twin brother. Maybe it was not Scott that changed. Maybe we all changed. We just did not get a DNA test with our non-existing twin. Did you know South Korea is the only country with this yin-yang in its flag? So, could this mean the merging of the two Koreas? If that is the case, it would be wonderful news. But how should we explain the broken up yin-yang? Does that mean the peace negotiations actually break the two Koreas further apart? Could Japan have anything to do with it, as Japan's flag seems to be in the middle? So, now that you have seen this crop circle, what do you think it means? This is Ken Peters. Thank you for watching.